The future of performance doesn't arrive with no's, it arrives with presence. What happens when power learns to whisper instead of shout? Tonight, we step inside a machine that promises to redefine what driving should feel like. For decades, this badge has meant one thing: performance without compromise. From raw mechanics to digital precision, the evolution isn't just about speed, but identity. The GLE became the bridge between daily life and true performance, moving closer each generation to power that fits seamlessly into modern living. Then, the silhouette emerges, confident, composed, unmistakably modern. This is not just a reveal, it's a statement of direction. As the doors open and light spills into the cabin, you realize this vehicle isn't chasing the future. It's calmly waiting for it, and in that quiet confidence, there's a promise: performance has matured. Design here follows a philosophy of controlled tension, surfaces that feel sculpted by airflow rather than ornamentation. The proportions communicate strength, yet the detailing whispers precision. Compared to earlier generations, the visual language feels cleaner, more intentional, as if every line had to justify its existence. Look closer, and you notice how aggression has been refined into elegance. The car doesn't need to prove itself loudly anymore, because true confidence rarely does. Beneath the surface lies a system designed not just to perform, but to anticipate. Hybridized intelligence allows power delivery to feel seamless, almost predictive, transforming acceleration into something fluid rather than forceful. Three key pillars define the experience: responsive electrified assistance, adaptive dynamics that read the road, and a digital ecosystem that learns the driver. Where older performance SUVs demanded constant input, this one collaborates, reducing effort while amplifying control. And that shift changes the relationship between driver and machine. Step inside, and the world softens. The cabin feels less like a cockpit and more like a curated space, where technology integrates quietly into the environment. Digital displays stretch across the dashboard, yet they don't overwhelm. They respond, adapt, and disappear into the background when not needed. Materials invite touch, ambient lighting shapes mood, and the seating position creates a sense of calm authority over the road. This is where performance meets serenity, and where long journeys begin to feel shorter. Because luxury today isn't excess, it's clarity. In a market redefining performance SUVs, this model stands at the intersection of emotion and intelligence. It answers a new demand: exhilaration that fits everyday life. As the segment expands globally, it reflects a shift in priorities toward versatility without compromise. And in that moment, this car becomes more than a choice. It becomes a signal of where performance is heading. More capable, more intuitive, more human. Looking ahead, speed is no longer defined by no's, but by intelligence in harmony. As technology evolves, the line between machine and experience fades, turning performance into something you feel, not just measure. So the story isn't horsepower or screens, it's meaning. Because progress doesn't replace passion, it refines it. Stories like this shape how we see the future of driving. What do you think performance will feel like in the next decade? If you enjoy cinematic explorations of automotive innovation, stay with us. There's always another story waiting just ahead.